From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
The 19th question of NECO 2025 is on quadratic equation. It says, find the quadratic equation whose roots are -5 and 3/2. There are two ways to approach this. You could either equate x to be this and then find the product of the two factors, or you could assume their root alpha and beta and then use the formula to find it. So let's do the two method. So if we say let x equals -5 and x equals 3/2, if we take it to the left hand side, we'll have x plus 5 equals 0, or x. So if we multiply this is 2x minus 3 equals 0. And so you have to multiply x plus 5 and 2x minus 3, then the product will give 0. Just like reverse engineering. So you know how to multiply two factors. X times 2x is 2x squared. X times minus 3 is minus 3x. 5 times 2x is plus 10x. 5 times minus 3 is minus 15 equals 0. These two, 10x minus 3x is 7x. So this is 2x squared minus plus 7x minus 15 equals 0. The other way is using the formula, or x squared minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equals 0, where alpha and beta are the roots. And so this is just summing it. So we have x squared minus 5 plus 3/2x, and this is just multiplying this, and this is minus 15/2. So this will be minus 15/2 equals 0. So if I add this, I'll have x squared. 2 times minus 5 is minus 10. Minus 10 plus 3 is minus 7, times minus is plus 7/2x minus 15/2 equals 0. Multiply through by the LCM, which is 2. You have 2x squared plus 7x minus 15 equals 0. And that is B. Thank you for watching.